Imagine yourself on a small island in the South Pacific, surrounded by turquoise water and pristine beaches. Welcome to Tavarua Island, Fiji. This tiny heart-shaped island, nestled in the warm embrace of the South Pacific, is a gem waiting to be discovered. An oasis of tranquility where the rhythm of the waves and the whisper of the wind are the only sounds disturbing the peaceful silence. But don't let this serenity fool you. Tavarua Island is an adrenaline junkie's paradise, home to one of the most renowned surfing spots in the world, the Cloudbreak. Picture this. You're standing on a surfboard, the salty breeze ruffling your hair and the sun warming your skin. Before you, a wall of water rises, a majestic spectacle of nature's raw power. This is the Cloudbreak, a world-class wave that attracts surfers from all corners of the globe. As you paddle out, your heart races in anticipation. Then, the moment arrives. The wave swells under you, and you're off riding this liquid roller coaster. The world blurs around you as the wave carries you at breakneck speed. It's a rush like no other, a dance with the ocean that leaves you breathless and exhilarated. But Tavarua Island isn't just about the thrill of the ride. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the mesmerizing beauty of the South Pacific. Picture yourself strolling along the white sandy beaches, the sand warm and soft under your feet. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, a breathtaking canvas that changes with each passing minute. The palm trees sway gently, their silhouettes stark against the vibrant backdrop, adding to the island's enchanting beauty. This is Tavarua Island, Fiji, a place where adventure and tranquility coexist, where every moment is a memory waiting to be made. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or just looking for a slice of paradise, Tavarua offers something for everyone. This is just a glimpse of the thrilling adventure that awaits you on Tavarua Island, Fiji. Now imagine standing on your surfboard, staring at the monstrous wave building up in front of you. This is the Cloudbreak. Welcome to the heart of the Pacific, where the ocean's might meets human spirit in a thrilling dance. As the salty breeze kisses your face, you feel the power of the ocean beneath you. It's a raw, unfiltered connection with nature that's both humbling and exhilarating. As you paddle towards the towering wave, your heart pounds in rhythm with the ocean's roars. The world around you fades away, replaced by the resounding rhythm of the sea. It's just you, your board, and the wave, a thrilling trifecta in the vast expanse of the Pacific. The anticipation builds up, mirroring the wave that's now a towering wall of water before you. This is the moment when fear is replaced by focus, hesitation by determination. You take a deep breath, brace yourself, and ride that wave. The rush is indescribable. It's a mix of adrenaline, joy, and awe, all rolled into one electrifying moment. You are no longer just a spectator to the ocean's might. You're a part of it. You're riding the wave, carving your path on its crest, defying gravity, defying fear. Our adventure on Tavarua Island doesn't end with the Cloudbreak. The heart-shaped island is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Beyond the thrill of riding the majestic waves, the island offers a host of other activities. First, imagine yourself donning a snorkeling mask, plunging into the crystal clear waters and becoming one with the vibrant marine life. As you swim among the multicolored fish and corals, you'll realize that the real adventure was not just above the water, but also beneath it. Next, Let's take a detour from the water and explore the lush greenery of the island. Feel the soft sand under your feet as you wander around the island, soaking in the beauty of its tropical flora and fauna. The island's interior, with its thick forest, is as captivating as its coastline, offering an entirely different kind of adventure. Now, let's talk about food, because what's an adventure without some local cuisine to tickle your taste buds? The island's chefs are artists in their own right, creating meals that are a delightful blend of Fijian tradition and international flavors. Each bite is a culinary adventure that complements the day's physical exploits. But what truly sets this adventure apart is the sense of camaraderie that develops among the adventurers. Whether you're sharing a meal, exploring the island, or riding the waves, you're not just on an adventure, you're part of a community. This shared experience, this sense of belonging, is what makes every adventure on this island truly unforgettable. And so, as the sun sets on Tavarua Island, we leave with memories of thrilling rides on the Cloudbreak, enchanting underwater explorations, invigorating walks through the island, and delicious meals shared with newfound friends. We are excited to introduce our adventure series to you. We appreciate your participation in our visit to Fiji and hope it was an enjoyable experience. If you had a positive experience and want to discover more travel ideas and thrilling adventures in other enchanting places, we encourage you to follow our channel and press the notification button to receive news of future adventures. Please take the time to subscribe. It will be much appreciated. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We appreciate your company and hope you enjoyed this thrilling journey. Remember, adventure is out there, waiting for you to find it.